Hello, guys, and welcome back to At Your Daily Bible Study. And, this is the book of Luke, and today's episode is going to be called Do Not Worry. And let's just dive straight into the verse. They said to his disciples, "Therefore I say to you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat, nor about the body, what you will put on. Life is more than food, and the body is more than clothing. Consider the ravens, for neither sow or reap, which have neither storehouse nor barn, and God feeds them. Of how much more value are you than the birds? And which of you by worrying can add 1 cubit to his stature? If you can then are not able to do the least, why are you anxious for the rest? Consider the lilies, how they grow. They neither toil or spin, and yet I say to you, even Solomon in all his glory was not arrayed like one of these. If then God so clothes the grass, which today is in the field, and tomorrow is thrown into the oven, how much more will he clothe you, O you of little faith? And do not seek what you shall eat, or what you should drink, nor have an anxious mind. For all these things the nations of the world seek after, and the Father knows that you need these things, but seek the kingdom of God, and all these things shall be added to you." That was basically the verse. This is, it's right in the title. The moral is, do not worry, the Lord will provide for you. Don't worry about tomorrow, because the Lord will work it out. And that's pretty much the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And make sure to smash that notification bell. And don't forget to share the previous video. And have a good day. God bless.